Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Bybit to OKX. Now the OKX we're going to be sending our USDT tokens from Bybit is the OKX wallet. So in order to do this, head to your assets menu on Bybit. Once there, scroll through and click on the assets so you can have a view of your amount of USDT that you hold. Once you've taken a look at what you hold, simply click on the withdraw option and use the search icon to search for USDT. Click on the tether USDT, and where we have address, network, and amount. This is for making your on-chain transactions, which is basically wallet-to-wallet transactions. So you're going to have to provide the address and select a network. Now we have some of the cheapest networks, such as the Arbitrum one, the Binance Smart Chain, the TR320. So for this video, we'll be going with Arbitrum one. Click on the Arbitrum one. You see the minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. So we're going to have to provide an address. So minimize, and you can get your address from the OKX wallet, which is the OKX application. So once you click on OKX, make sure you are on the wallet, not the exchange, not the OKX exchange, but the OKX Web3 wallet. So once you're on the Web3 wallet, all you need to do is use the search icon at the top of the screen to simply search for USDT. So click on the USDT token, and with the OKX wallet, all you need to do is scroll till you find the Arbitrum network. So click on Arbitrum 1. Once you found Arbitrum 1 here, the OKX wallet makes use of a scrollable network selector at the top of the screen. So all you need to do is just scroll through and select your network. Now copy your address or click on the receive option to copy or scan the QR code. So once you've copied your wallet address, minimize and then open up your Bybit. So click on Bybit, paste the address you copied from the OKX wallet, enter the amount you wish to send and click on withdraw, and you'd have successfully withdrawn your tokens. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.